Apple would never repair this phone. Most technicians wouldn't even attempt it. And if I make one wrong decision, everything inside is gone. This iPhone 15 Pro Max was pulled out of a garbage dump after severe water damage. It won't turn on. The battery is swelling. And corrosion has already started spreading. The question isn't whether it turns on. The question is whether the data inside can survive. Water damage doesn't fail cleanly. It keeps working, silently, long after the device dies. Even if this phone powers on for a moment, corrosion continues spreading. That's why most shops either refuse jobs like this, or replace parts quickly and hope the damage doesn't come back. Hope isn't a strategy. Before anything is removed, every connection is documented. Because once we commit to this repair, there's no undo. If the damage reached the storage module, documentation won't save it. If it hasn't, documentation saves everything. This is the moment most repairs end. This battery is unstable. One slip and the repair stops here. And this is active corrosion. If it reached the core processing area, cleaning won't matter. Replacement wouldn't be worth it. The data would be gone. That's why most people stop. But I'm not stopping yet. Disassembly isn't about speed. It's about control. Every screw returns to its original position. Every connection is documented. At this stage, we're not fixing anything. We're trying to understand how far the damage traveled. This cleaner uses microscopic vibrations at 40 kHz to loosen corrosion without stressing components. Anything left behind now becomes a failure later. Here's the critical decision point. We could replace several major components immediately. That's the safe play. Or we test first, to see whether the damage stopped or is still spreading. If the storage responds correctly, rebuilding makes sense. If it doesn't, this phone isn't worth continuing. Results coming in. The storage module is responding correctly. This is where judgment matters more than tools. Replacement is unnecessary. We proceed. Everything that can be cleaned has been cleaned. Everything unsafe has been replaced. Now we test. We wait 30 seconds. 30 seconds. That means the core survived. The device works. Turning on isn't success. All systems are responding correctly. Now the part that actually matters. .98% of the data is intact. Not reconstructed. Not recovered from backups. Recovered directly from the device. Photos, messages, records. The owner thought all of this was gone. The data survived. Most people think water damage erases everything. In this case, it didn't. This is fixed tech. This is what precision restoration looks like. If you want to see more repairs that shouldn't work, Devices most shops refuse, data most people think is lost. Subscribe. Next time, it's worse.